Hi guys, good evening natong tanan so mga unta niyo. So, natay atong pagkaunta naman siya. Natay kanang bukog ni siya sa baboy nga gisarsahan. I don't know unsay nganan. And then natay ako ni siya talong o okra nga gi murag siya ambot unsa na. So mga unta ninyo mag-dinner ta ninyo guys, pangaon na sad mo. So mo ni atong sudan for tonight. Then akong pares kay nagkuan siya. Nag-squid. Itong tilawan. Wala siya.
In fact, he went to trial for rape. Charges were dropped on a technicality 8 weeks ago.
So, we got a rapist that walked free, though not very far.
Still pretty upsetting.
Ano na itong pangkalam?
Guy's got a double key deadbolt, sir, so you can lock people out
Itong sudan.
or in. Why would a guy living alone need to lock people in? God, never mind. Pepper spray. Victim has it on his face and
Ako gipalutog ganyan ni kay murag ganitong full na kayo sa sabaw.
Tell if this is a crime of passion or a premeditated homicide.
Or some new victim acting in self-defense.
If it was self-defense, why didn't they call the police? No, we pursue this as a murder. We reach out to this woman whose rape case, alleged rape case was thrown out. Talk to her father, her brothers, any other angry guy in her life.
Mamit siya.
Well, if my daughter was raped and the guy got away with it,
Gisukaan ra nila. Nga. Gibutang patis. Patis.
find blood in the drain.
Pinakurat na suka o kuan. Kamatis.
Okay, now, press is waiting for a briefing from detectives. Come on.
Ay.
These reporters deserve the most thorough briefing I can give them. And that's you. Let's go.
Kainit.
Oh, hey Mom, that's my friend, Lieutenant Tao. Guess they're out on another murder.
By the way, I made a list of everything.
Mahaon na mo. Mahaon na sa iyo guys. Dungan sa niyo.
But I have no idea how much any of this stuff costs.
Paano ito?
So if you could just total it up and bring it
Mahaon
back.
tag-dinner while watching TV.
Yesterday, you don't have to pay me back.
I do. According to my sponsor, I need to start to be accountable. Don't mess with my program, okay? Working. And if you could add this.
What's that?
The doctor gave it to me for when I check out.
It's a prescription.
Yeah, and make sure to tell me how much it costs, okay? It's easier to accept all the stuff that you give me if I'm keeping track. Shit.
Every single hand. How do you do it, Mom?
I don't know, I'm lucky.
So what is this medication that you need me to get for you?
It's a pain reliever. I can't take aspirin or Motrin because of my headaches.
Do you have headaches?
I mean, I'm told that it has to do with getting sober and feeling things more than I did before. After I leave Signal Hill, I never want to go to rehab again. I just want to do everything at the halfway house, just like I'm doing it here.
So you're definitely gonna go to the halfway house?
Yeah, I mean, like halfway is about as far as I can go. Which would take me halfway back to being a good mother.
Hey, listen, you were a terrific mother all the way until I was 11. And I was no day in the park either. I mean, how much trouble did I make at almost every school I went to?
You were the best thing that ever happened to me. And I just need to figure out how to rely on you. And everything else.
Di pa kayo siya humok ang karne.
Well, you know what they say, one day at a time,
Oh
right?
my god, they hardly say anything else.
Okay. See you in a couple days.
Thank you.
Anyway, that's it for tonight's video guys no. Kaya ako sa siyang enjoy ako ang dinner. So pag dinner sa buntihaan, have a good night and rest back on you later. But please don't forget to follow and share. Bye.